So I have created a new Flutter project. I am clearing all the default code. Now first I am importing material, Flutter material, and I'm going to create a void main function, and then now run app, and I'm going to create a material app. Here let's add some semicolon. Now here home, let's add splash screen, and then here let's add debug check banner false. And now let's create a new file over here, new file splash screen web dot. Here import material, then create a stateful widget called splash screen. Now let's save it, and then now we have to import this one in the main. Okay, so now let's add a container here, and in this container add child scaffold. So let's save this and run. There is something, we have to add semicolon here. Let's save and stop the emulator and run this. And let's add a safe area over here. We save this. Okay, it must change here. Yes, it has changed. Let's add a decoration box decoration, and here gradient in gradient linear gradient here. Then we have to add a list of colors. I'm going to add colors dot red and colors dot pink. Okay, now if we save this, we cannot see any changes, as safe area color is white, as scaffold color is white, it is hiding it. So we have to change the background color of the scaffold to transparent. We save this. See, now we got it right. We have to add an alignment here. Alignment begin, alignment dot top center. End alignment dot bottom right. Okay, now we have add an background color here.